Hey everybody, I'm in the middle of my workout, but I wanted to do a couple minutes with Coach Jared Snyder. Whew, I'm winded. Today I'm doing hammer build-up, so with both the trainers, and right now I'm about ready to do a move. There's my trainers. Anyways, before I do the move, I want to let you know that I'm going to be running in August first fitness group in my Better You group. It's all done online. All that you have to do is get a program from me. And I have a form that you can fill out that lets me know more about you. It's all questions that if you are serious or want to get a healthy lifestyle, I'll just send it to you, fill it out, and then I can get back with you about what I think and what we could move forward with. But anyways, I'm in the middle of a workout, so I am going to press play and we'll get this move going. Just give me a second. I'm going to set up everything. All my workouts are done from home too, so maybe I'll go this way. We're doing some flies, so just trying to make sure that we're good here.
Stretch it, make it look nice. Come up and raise your chest up as you bring your chin down. Here's the move. You guys ready? At home, whatever you are, the hammer and chisel is right with you. Top and 1, 2, open. Nice and slow and squeeze to the top. Nice and slow. Plant your feet on the floor. If not, raise them up. You can raise it on the top of the bench. That's all right. As long as you're feeling that you're at your comfort zone as far as bouncing and stabilizing, that's all I care. Stretch it. When you come to the top, squeeze real tight. 4, 3, 2, and great. Gently come down with the weight. Good.
So there's
very good, guys. Next move. Push.
So there's a lot of moves in these programs that I do, and that was just one. We've been going for 30 minutes and we're on 19 minutes right now. But yeah, these programs are pretty darn amazing. So they pretty much show you everything on here. We got modifiers, which is awesome because a lot of people are like watching and they're like, oh my gosh, I can't do that. That's extreme. It's not really. You want to know what? I started where all of you guys were. I started at like being there and being like, oh my gosh, I couldn't do that. You want to know what? Each day I took a step forward and, you know, like did 5 minutes one day, did 6 minutes the next day, did 7 minutes the next day. If I had to take a rest day after that 7 minutes, I took a rest day. And I just kept on building. And it's amazing what your body can transform into. And if you just change your mind up here on what you can do, and you tell yourself I can instead of I can't, man, you will get so far. But anyways, I want to leave you with that. My name is Coach Jared Snyder, and this is a few minutes with Coach Jared Snyder.